Okay, so I just finished filming with our plumbing client, and it got me thinking about why it works so well for us to film on location with our clients and why home repair contractors need to be filming um, their videos on site instead of in the office or anything like that. Now, I'm in my car because I didn't think it was appropriate for me to film a video for me in my client's customer's home, so outside. So anyhow, there's three reasons why it works so well to film on site. And number one, they're just more exciting. When you're actually filming the work that you're doing, it's more exciting than you sitting behind an office talking about plumbing or roofing or garage door repair. When you're actually doing the repair and showing what you're doing, it's just more exciting for video. The second reason why filming on site is so important is because it's proof that you're actually out there doing the work that you say that you do, especially in this time where essential employees, not essential. So if you're telling everyone that you're working, that's great, but if you're showing everyone you're working, that's even better. So that's another reason why it's so important to film on location. And then thirdly, the reason why is it gives you an opportunity to show off the quality of your work. And so if you're filming a repair, it's full transparency for anyone who is looking for your services, that you're not cutting corners, that you're showing people tips and value, and it just adds a level of trust that you can't get, again, just behind your desk. So these are three reasons why I recommend filming on site. If you're like, yeah, that's great, but I don't want to sit there and film while I'm working. Well, that's what I do. I meet you at your job site, we clear it with the homeowner, and then we go in there and film some videos of you explaining exactly what you're doing. We post those to Facebook for you, so that increases your exposure, increases your brand identity, and helps you improve your profits. So if you need help with that, I'd love to assist. My name is Mario Wilson with Market with Mario, and remember, when you market with Mario, you profit with Mario.